Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install React.js step by step and get your first React app running in just a few minutes. Before installing React, make sure Node.js is already installed. If you need any help with that, check out our video on this topic. Once you confirm that Node.js is installed, you go to your favorite IDE. In this case, I am using Visual Studio's code. We'll click File, Open Folder, and select our folder in which we need to create our first app. Just select the folder and click Open. And there you go. We will have our first folder listed right here. It will be empty, but don't worry, we will install React in it very soon. So once that is done, open the terminal, click New Terminal. From here, you have to type the following command: npx space create dash react dash app space followed by the name of the React app you're going to create. Let's call it my app and press enter. This will download everything needed to set up React automatically. Just press Y to proceed. And as you can see, your React.js app is installing. It'll take just a few minutes. After a few minutes, React.js app will be installed into the folder. Once the setup is complete, we need to move into the folder by typing cd and the name of the folder, my-app. Now, once we are inside the folder, we need to start the development server, and that is done by typing in the following command: npm space start. Once that is done, you will see a React logo with a single line and Learn React link attached to it. If you can see, it is running on localhost port 3000. If you see this logo, you've successfully installed React.js and created your first app. From here, you can start exploring components, JSX, props, and states. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.